Today we have a 2007 Nissan Maxima. We'll be doing an oil change. Once you've lifted the vehicle, on the right side of the vehicle you'll see a black oil pan here. With the number 14, you're going to remove the oil drain plug to drain the oil, and the oil filter will be located on the right side of that. In the whip behind the wheel, just move this cover back and you'll see it clearly. So first thing we'll do is we'll drain this, and then we'll remove that oil filter, let that drain. Now while that's draining, go ahead and remove the crushed washer on the oil drain plug and replace that. Just be sure to, if you do not see it on your drain plug, check to see if it's stuck on the oil pan itself. But in this case, it came out the drain plug, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. So with our new crushed washer now, we're gonna go ahead and just twist it in. Now it's twisted in. We're gonna torque that down to 25 foot-pounds. Once we've torqued it down, we're gonna go ahead and just remove the oil filter, just twist it off. You can use a pair of channel locks or your hand or oil filter tool. So I'm gonna go ahead and torque that drain plug down, then I'm gonna remove the oil filter. Once you've removed the old oil filter, be sure that the rubber gasket comes out with it. Sometimes it will get stuck to the housing. In our case, it came out with it. So now we're gonna install our new one. All you have to do, pretty much go in there, as you can see right there. Just go in and twist it in, hand tighten it, and then we'll lower the vehicle. Now when you install the new oil filter, you can twist it in until it's flush and then turning it 2/3 of the way, or you can torque it down to 17.6 Newton meters or 13 foot-pounds. So I'm just gonna go ahead and torque it down with my tool, and then I'm gonna bring her down to fill it up with some oil. Now that we've torqued down the drain plug and the oil filter, just go ahead and start filling her up with oil. Just remove the oil cap, put it to the side, and fill her up with 4.5 US quarts or 4.2 liters. Once you've filled up 4.5 quarts, start the engine, turn it off, then pull up the dipstick, which is located right here, the yellow handle. And now you see it's right in the middle where we want it to be, which is perfectly fine since we started the engine up. So we're all good now. Now to reset the maintenance light, just turn the vehicle on without the engine running. Hold down the trip reset button until you hear 5 beeps, I believe, or 5 flashes. Let me see. Let me use my other hand just so I can see the screen better. Or not, okay. Oh shit. Turn the engine off, let's see what happens. Probably absolutely nothing because this car's a piece of shit. Yeah, fuck this shit, I'm not doing this. So once everything's good, just clean off the dipstick, put it back in place like so, and you're done. Thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe, more videos to come.